Good morning children. Today start the class for 3rd standard maths. Previous class you learned for introduction unit 4 measurement. Measurement is having for two types. One is non-standard unit, another one standard unit. Non-standard unit is used for hand span, foot span and cubic. Standard unit is used here. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Millimeter is short form mm. Centimeter is short form cm. Meter is short form m. Kilometer is short form km. Okay, you understand the concept for measurement. Unit 4. So this one measurement is used to measure the length. Shall I move now in your book exercise? This one is a standard unit of length. Measurement millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So this measurement is used for measure the help of scale or ruler. This one is saying here ruler or scale. Ruler is having for 0 from up to small size scale is having for 15 centimeter. Then long size scale is having for 30 centimeter. So here given for cm. Cm is called here centimeter. So 0 from 1. How many lines is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10. So 0 between 1 is having for 10 single line. 10 small size of lines. So this lines is 10 parts. So 10 millimeter. Each one line is saying here. Each one line is saying for millimeter. So this 10 lines is saying for 1 centimeter. This 10 lines is saying here 1 centimeter. Okay. You understand now? Then 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Last class I give the activity for page number 60. You measure the objects and find out the meter, centimeter. How long for the pencil box, test pad, eraser, pencil. This one activity is given to you. Only 2 children only sent to response. Other children didn't do. Please you do this one activity. Then only you do for you learn the concept for measurement. Okay children. Please you do the activity today. Then you find out the measurement of length. Okay. Shall I move now? 4.4 centimeter and meter. Centimeter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. I give now Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate units. Unit is given for meter and centimeter to the following. First one. My pencil is 6. Already you learned the concept for measurement. Here taken for pencil. Pencil is 6. So this one meter or centimeter you find out now. This one is a small size or big size? Yes, 6 is a small size. 6 is a small size. So that's why this one is used to help of ruler. So ruler is having small size. So this one is saying here centimeter or meter. This one used to centimeter. 6 centimeter is a small scale used to measure the pencil. So scale is having for cm. Scale is having here centimeter only. So you should write centimeter. The next one. Second question. This tree is, you look at the tree. Yes, This tree is very long. So I here draw for small size of tree, but you imagine for height of 3. 3 is don't use for scale. So this one used to take. That one measurement is bigger. So here used for meter. 3 meter of height. Then your height. My height is. Your height is saying for only given for 80. So 80 is used for your height is only small or big? Small only. Compared to tree. Compared to tree. You are a big or small? Small only. So here used for centimeter. Okay. The next one. Fourth one. Hairpin. This is the hairpin. So this hairpin is smaller or bigger? This one hairpin for smaller only. So first you keep 0. Then measure the length here. 4 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after 1. So 4.6 centimeter. So here 4 centimeter. Then next one, the height of a coconut tree. Already you see for coconut tree. Yes, coconut tree is very longer. Anybody see in your home coconut tree is very longer. So here that scale used to measure the coconut tree. Scale is easy to use to measure the measurement for coconut tree length. No, here is given for 50. So that one is a bigger or smaller. So coconut tree is a bigger. So used for meter. So pencil is a small size. So centimeter. Tree is a longer, big size. So meter. Your height for small. So you write centimeter. Hairpin is small only. So centimeter. Coconut tree height is long. So that's why write here meter. Okay, you understand the concept, children? Fill in the blanks with the appropriate units. This one in your book exercise page number 61. This one try this. So measure meter or centimeter to the following. Already you know 100 centimeter bigger unit is saying here meter. 100 centimeter bigger is saying here meter. So this one you learn now. Standard unit learn for you. First one for millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So here meter or centimeter or meter. Compare the symbol for greater than or less than in the box is providing you. So here centimeter is a smaller, meter is a bigger unit. Meter and compared to kilometer. So kilometer is a very long. Centimeter is used for scale. Centimeter is used for scale measurement. Meter is used for tape. Then tape is used to measure for longer tape. That one is saying here kilometer. So meter and kilometer compare here. So kilometer is a bigger. So then next one, kilometer and centimeter. So kilometer is a bigger. Okay, you understand now which one is a smaller unit, which one is a bigger unit. Then next one, Roman letter 3, circle the odd one. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, year, cubit. So millimeter, meter, centimeter is a standard unit. Cubit only for non-standard unit. Cubit is non-standard unit. So you circle this one as a odd one. Then next one, fill in the blanks. Roman letter 4. Roman letter 4, fill in the blanks. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here 1, here 1 only. Then next 2 meter equal to 2 multiply 100. 2 multiply 100 equal to 200. Then next one, 3 meter equal to 300. Then 4 multiply 100 equal to 400. So fill in the blanks. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter is given to you. Then you find out for 2 meter equal to 2 multiply 100 equal to 200. 3 multiply 100 equal to 300. 4 multiply 100 equal to 400. The next one, Roman letter for match the following. Before you learn this measurement, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So this one you learn. Understand the concept, children. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. But this one is number only increasing. 10, 100, 1000. Here centimeter, meter, kilometer. So smaller only millimeter. Then next one centimeter, meter, kilometer. This one only you used to help of match the following. 10 millimeter equal to, millimeter is move for, yes, 10 centimeter. Millimeter is changed first. Millimeter is changed first. Centimeter. Then centimeter is changed next. Meter. Then meter is changed next. Kilometer. So first you understand the concept, children. 10 millimeter equal to, millimeter is convert to centimeter, centimeter convert to meter, meter convert to kilometer. So first one unit for millimeter, then next last you move for kilometer. Then already you learned for non-standard unit. Write all the non-standard unit. First one is given here, finger span. Unit for measurement. So measurement with the help of used to measure the ruler. Used to measure the ruler. Measuring length is used for non-standard unit and standard unit. One is finger width, hand span, foot span, a cubit. Measurement of length is given for two types, non-standard unit and standard unit. Non-standard unit for finger width, hand span, cubit, piece. Finger width, hand span, cubit, pass, foot span. Standard unit for millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Write all the non-standard units. Finger span, hand span, cubit, pass, foot span. Then Roman letter 7. Write all the standard unit. Do you know? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So millimeter saying here M-I-L-L-I, milli. Meter, M-E-T-E-R, millimeter. So this one is saying a short form M-M. Then centimeter, C-E-N-T-I-M-E-T-E-R, centimeter. So this one written C-M. Then third one meter, M-E-T-E-R, meter. Write for M. The next one KILO, kilometer, METE or kilometer, written for km. So, which one is a bigger unit? Kilometer. Which one is smaller unit? Millimeter. Millimeter compared to centimeter is bigger. Centimeter compared to meter is bigger. Meter compared to kilometer is bigger. That before that you compare for before, kilometer compared to meter is smaller. Meter is smaller compared to centimeter. Centimeter is smaller. Centimeter to compare millimeter. Millimeter is smaller. Okay, you know now this one concept is used for which one is a bigger unit, which one is a smaller unit. You first think small thing. That one is saying only used to measure for millimeter or centimeter. Someone for having the bureau, window, door, bed, any kinds of trees is saying for meter distance. Then you travel from one place to another place. That one distance, one home to next one, your neighbor home or your relative home, that distance is saying for kilometer. So easy to understand the concept, children. Daily life you use the things, small size of scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener, but other your height or using the brush or using the comb or using the powder, talcum powder, or using the paste, that one height is saying for centimeter. Then compared to your building or you are using the, that one is saying for meter or kilometer. Using to the distance is saying for meter and kilometer, for the longer distance only saying meter or kilometer. Okay, thank you children. You understand the concept? Thank you once again.